Hello students, welcome back to our online classes for class 7th mathematics. Students, as we have started exercise 8.2 in our previous video, also we have learned question first. So today we will learn how to solve question second of this exercise. Question second, you can see student on your screen. Question second is here, convert the given decimals fraction to percents. Now students, we have to convert these decimals fractions into percents. In the question first, we have converted the fractions. Here their fractions are given. Here you can see question fractions are given and we have converted into percent. Now in question second, decimal fractions are given. So first of all, student, we have to convert these decimal fraction into simple fraction. Okay, then we will convert it into percent, likewise question in question first we have done. So let us learn how to solve. Wait, I am just showing the solution of this one. You can see on your screen, it is the solution of this question second. A part first we will solve. I am solving here. You will solve first A part. You can see, convert the given decimal fraction to percentage. So A part is here 0.65. So first of all, we will convert it into normal fraction. So you can see students, here point is placed after two digits, means one digit and two digits. So from the right hand side, points is placed after two digits. That's why first of all we have to remove this decimal point, and we will convert it into normal fraction. So I have here point is placed after two digits. That's why I have written here we will divide it by 100, means 100 में कितने zero होते हैं, 2 0 are there in 100. That's why we are dividing it by 100. And now when we will divide it by 100, then point will be removed. So I have shown here that point is removed here from here. So students, now it will become 65 upon 100, and now it is in the form of normal fraction. So now we will divide it into percentage. So to convert it into percentage, now multiplying by 100 to convert in percentage. So 65 upon 100 into 100, and it is necessary to mark the sign of percentage. It is very important. Whenever we are finding the percentage, it is very important to mark the sign of percentage. So I have multiplied it by 100 to find the percentage and mark the percent sign. So 100 and 100 will be cancelled out to each other, and now we have 65. So it will be 65%, and students, it is answer. It is very easy, you can do by yourself. Now student, you can do any question about it like this. Now B part, you can see B part is given here 2.1. Now first of all, likewise A part we will convert it into, first we will convert it into normal fraction. So first we will remove this decimal point. So as you can see here, point is placed after one digit. That's why we will divide it by 10, because 10 is having 1 0. So we will divide, because decimal point is placed after one digit. That's why I have divided by 10. Okay, so now it will become 21 upon 10, and now it is in the form of fraction. Now we will multiply it to convert it into percentage. We will multiply it by 100. So I have multiplied it, and also it is necessary to mark the percentage sign. Okay, so 21 upon 10 into 100, and 1 0 is cancelled out by 1 0, and it will become 21. We will write here equal to 21 into 10, means 210. Okay students, and percent, 210%. Answer, it is answer. Okay students, so wait, I will show you your textbook. So question third we will discuss in our next video. So do it in your notebook students, and send your work. Take care.